So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, open up your crypto account. Once that is opened up, simply go down to the magnifying glass at the bottom bar right here. Press on the magnifying glass, then scroll down a little bit to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you press on the crypto, go down to where it says Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH. Press on Ethereum right here. Now, if you want to buy it, press on buy. Now, if you want to set a limit buy instead of a market buy, simply go to the top here, press on market buy, and then change this to where it says limit buy. Limit buy says choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. Press on limit buy right here. Read this in case you don't know how limit buy works, but press continue. And then if you want to set the price that you're willing to pay. So for example, the Ethereum price of this recording is $2,653. If you wanted to change it to $2,650, for example, you can change it to that. Press on continue. I will invest $5 as an example. Press continue. And there you go. If you wanted to buy this purchase, you've now set the limit price to $2,650. So if it ever reaches that price, it'll automatically invest whatever amount you purchased here using the limit buy feature to purchase Ethereum here in Canada on Wealthsimple. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.